Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. Roborock has presented its latest and most advanced robot vacuum cleaner, the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra, a model where the innovations of its charging base make it as important as a vacuum cleaner itself. In addition to giving a twist to aspects such as navigation or power, its charge base not only empties the dirt tank of the robot, something we have already seen in several manufacturers and models, but also washes the mop and refills the water tank. The Roborock S7 MaxV, so far the flagship of the house, was a robot that gave us a lot of play in our review for its ambitious combined navigation system and its ability to recognize objects through the reactive eye technology, and its successor, Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra, takes a step forward precisely with its evolution, Reactive Eye 2.0. In this case, it also has a combination of an RGB camera and a laser viewfinder with a brain in the form of a neural processing unit to orient itself, navigate and recognize objects by adapting to the situation, regardless of the lighting conditions. In addition to recognizing obstacles, this generation gains in automation and efficiency, recognizing floor materials to recommend the best cleaning patterns. In other words, which sequence of rooms to follow, the suction power, or the scrubbing intensity. Considering that the robot takes images, the question of privacy and security is not a trivial issue. These are processed in the unit itself, and this procedure has a cybersecurity certification from TÜV Rheinland. Roborock has doubled the suction power in the S7 MaxV to 5,100 PA to provide better suction performance and incorporated vibraries sonic scrubbing technology, which we saw in the Roborock S7, where in addition to wiping a damp mop over the floor, it vibrates at high intensity to help remove dirt. But let's go in parts as Roborock's flagship, which can be purchased in different options. The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra is the most complete robot vacuum plus base, but a simpler self-emptying base is also available that is limited to the usual robot emptying. So far we have seen essentially two types of bases, the compact and minimalist ones that simply charge the robot, and those with a self-emptying system, so that we don't have to deal with the task of emptying the solids tank ourselves, minimizing exposure to dust and dirt. Well, the base of the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra has compartments and 3 different missions that minimize manual maintenance for the user: emptying the solids tank, washing the mop, and refilling the water tank, latter 2 for scrubbing floors. The first task is relatively common in the industry, but the other 2 go a step further in the goal of being more independent and autonomous. When the mop of a robot vacuum cleaner finishes scrubbing, it usually ends up very dirty, and we usually have to remove it to wash it. With the S7 MaxV Ultra, it will be the base that will be in charge of cleaning the mop when it returns to the base. As the self-emptying procedure of the tank and cleaning of the mop and the base can cause the mop to become dirty, the charging base is also self-cleaning. The third compartment is responsible for filling the robot's liquid tank so that it is always ready for vacuuming and mopping, as long as it has water, of course. According to the manufacturer, the dust bag has a capacity of about 7 weeks, and once the liquid tank is filled, the robot vacuum cleaner will be able to mop and vacuum up to 300 square meters. The Roborock S7 MaxV in its different versions will go on sale during the second quarter of the year, although there is still no specific date. The recommended RRPS will be Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra for $1,399. Roborock S7 MaxV for $799. Here ends our review on Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.